In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some essential settings in Shopify to ensure your store is running smoothly. Whether you're setting up a new shop or fine-tuning your current setup, these steps will guide you through the process. First, you need to access your Shopify admin panel. So go ahead and open your favorite web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is your central hub for all things related to your store. This is where you can quickly review recent orders, check analytics, and see any notifications that require your attention. Now, from the home page, you will want to locate and click on the Settings option. You can usually find this at the bottom left corner of your screen under the corresponding icon. By clicking on Settings, you'll access a broad range of configuration options to customize your Shopify store. This is your gateway to managing everything from your store's general information to specific functionalities. Next, within the Settings menu, find and select Shipping and Delivery. This area is crucial, especially if you are selling physical products that need to be delivered to customers. In the Shipping and Delivery settings, you have the opportunity to manage what methods of delivery you offer, set rates for shipping, and define which areas you're willing to ship to. Understanding how to handle these options will not only enhance your shop's service, but also potentially expand your customer base by ensuring clarity and efficiency in your shipping methods. Once you're in the Shipping and Delivery section, the next step is to find and click on Delivery Customizations. This section allows you to tailor the delivery options even further, offering a level of customization that can really make your business stand out. Here you can opt to configure various aspects related to delivery, such as custom shipping zones or delivery speed options. This kind of detail helps in aligning your store's delivery capabilities with both your business's and customers' expectations. Finally, in the Delivery Customization area, you should see an option labeled Highlight. By clicking on this, you can manage some additional priorities regarding delivery options that you may want to emphasize to your customers. Perhaps there's a special shipping rate or a time-sensitive delivery method you'd like to highlight. Clicking here allows you to bring those to the forefront so they're clear and prominent to anyone visiting your store. And there you have it, a straightforward path to setting and customizing your shipping options in Shopify. Remember, the individual steps may slightly vary depending on ongoing Shopify updates, but the general process remains largely the same. Following these steps will ensure that your store is set up to provide excellent service, keeping both you and your customers happy and satisfied. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.